It's mid-autumn here. Last chance to get the winter vegetables in before it's too late. Well, last year I was really onto it. Succession planted everything from January for 4 months straight. But this year I was a little bit carried away by other things I was doing. So I'll have to cram 4-month work into one day. I need to harvest those butternut squash, pumpkins over there, some potatoes. And also I need to tidy up those tired summer vegetables, the scarlet runner beans, cucumbers and courgettes. If I have time, I'll tidy up those berries as well. And the most important thing is to plant those vegetables into the ground. Oh, before that, I'll have to make the bed, put some composts in. I have quite a lot here. Once again, I didn't have the labels, but I can recognize most of them. Chinese cabbages. I think they are cauliflowers. Remember, I planted so many because we love roasting them. Oh, it's amazing. You can also make pizza base as well. These two are daikons. I potted from outside. This is a broccoli, I think. Another broccoli. And this is a kohlrabi. We have some Chinese red kales. I think that's kohlrabi. Green cabbages, more kale and Chinese cabbages. For broad beans, I have more coming. And these are the new variety of lettuce called Drunken Woman. Interesting name. So yeah, got a few plants to plant today. I'm going to also do some tidy up in here to make some room for a few broccolis to come in. I also have some beetroot inside. I forgot about them. So yeah, it's going to be a huge day today, but it's going to look amazing afterwards. So let's get into it. Those beans have been producing from October to March. Now they finished the cycle. I'm going to cut them above the ground so they will come back next year. These two are Blue Lake runner beans. They're very crunchy to eat raw, very sweet. My boys love those. I have a couple in the greenhouse. Extending the season. See, there's actually only 4 or 5 bean plants. It's amazing how productive they are. Okay, so this is the cucumbers. This frame is very unstable now. It's been a couple of years old. So maybe I'll take them out. I made this by hand. It's time for a new trellis. Okay, what's next? This winter vegetables was given by my mother-in-law. Thanks to her. Should have taken this netting off a long time ago. This is outgrown. I'm gonna take out the mint because they're taking over the bed. I should never plant them in the beds to start with. Look at this. It's overgrown and taking over. Oh my gosh, did you see? Oh, lesson learned. Never plant mint in the bed. Oh, potatoes. Those are the self-sow pumpkins. After that, I will harvest those potatoes. What is that? I don't know what they are. Need to find out. Potato seeds? Weird. Those fennel, they need to be cut. I see there's some new shoots coming already, so I need to cut the old ones first so they have energy to grow. And also this new shoots are coming as well, so I need to cut off the old ones. Right, I spent 4 hours in the morning tidying up and harvesting. I had some quick lunch. Now is time to prepare the bed and then plant those little seedlings. Yay! All right, we made a bed. I did 4 wheelbarrows of soil. I think it's a little bit too much for me, so I'm going to wait for my husband to come home to do the rest. This is going to be all brassicas, and I learned that brassicas actually don't like too much nitrogen. They don't like rich soil. I learned that from hard way because they grow into really big plants, but they don't have the broccolis or Brussels sprouts. The soil is a combination of compost and topsoil, and I added some blood bones. Once I've planted all of them, and I'll just sprinkle a little bit sheep pellet. So I'm gonna dig in. Actually, planting is so easy. It's the easiest part. It is, one bit done. There's the drunken woman lettuce. It looks so pretty. It's got a tinge of pink, curly leaves. I'm gonna plant 6, maybe 8, and give the rest away. My husband is helping me filling up the beds. Yeah, mussels are much appreciated right now. Thank you. All right, almost finished. All right, it's all done, and I'm going to show you what I planted. Then I'll put the mulch on and net them. All right, from here, some lettuce. And those are the Chinese cabbages we just planted. And here are the cauliflowers. And there's more. And there's more Chinese cabbages. And this is the bed I was showing you before. All the brassicas. This mix of Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, broccoli, and some purple broccoli as well. Might have a few cauliflower as well. Those are broad beans. This side we've got Chinese kale, red kale. Really pretty. And here are some tiny little beetroots. These are some green cabbages. Finally, I'm done for the day. I put all the mulch on. I'm just a little bit short on 6 plants. I'm going to get some more pine needles. It's just off the road. I'm trying this for winter because other mulch get really soggy and become the perfect place for slugs and stuff. This one doesn't really do what mulches do. They don't absorb water, which is perfect in winter because we have so much rain. It's a little bit spiky, so slugs don't like it. Then I'm just gonna leave it tonight because knitting is easier when 2 people are doing it. Husband is busy at the moment with the kids at tennis. Tomorrow morning, first thing, I'll put the knitting on. I hope they're all good tonight. It looks so much better. I did probably 9 hours work today, non-stop, from 8 o'clock. I think it's 5 o'clock now. Look at my hands. I feel so good getting everything done. The winter garden is ready, so looking forward to some bountiful brassicas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.